We'd like to do a song now that was written by the great American blues man, Robert Johnson. And he never made it to Sos del Rey Catolico, but I'm sure he would have liked it here. Maybe he's here tonight somewhere. Sos de Blues Man Catolico. Robert Johnson died at the age of 27 years old. 27, yeah. That was just last year for me. He was poisoned by a jealous husband. This is why every night before the show, when I eat dinner, I ask Olivier to taste my food.
Can you choose something else than meat?
But I like Wahada. He doesn't like that. This song is called Terraplane Blues. I'm so lonesome. Hear me when I'm on. I am so lonesome. Hear me when I'm on. I wanna know who drive my terraplane for you since I've been gone. Well, I flash your lights, mama. Your horn won't even blow. Oh no, I'm gonna flash your lights, mama. I know your horn won't blow. Oh, 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 I think I got a short in my connection. Oh, way, way down below. Below your hood, mama. You know I'm bound to check your oil. Greasy, I'm gonna hoist your hood, mama. I'm gonna check your oil. I got this woman I've been loving down in Arkansas. Arkansas, I'm gonna get down in your wires, start messing under your hood. When I press your little starter, give me fire like you should. Hear me when I'm on. Who drives my terraplane for you since I've been gone. I've been gone, yeah. I just want to say that maybe it's getting a little cold out there, so if you want to stand up and move, that's okay. A little more caliente. Canaries down in the mine, they're just not singing anymore. They're lying lifeless on the floor. Songs say love is like oxygen, and since you left me I've been suffering. Round and round like a weather vane I go. Which way the wind stops, I just don't know. In fact, this whole thing is a mystery, and I'm feeling less and less free. Locked between the bars of my birth and my death. What my crime was, well, I can only guess. All you gave me was sweet, sweet lies. Could have been one of 1,000 guys who could never get enough of you, who were shocked when the time was through. Your body was my temple of doom, a sanctuary in a living tomb, where I was locked in 3 seconds flat. You told me, honey, I'm sorry, love is like that. That's it for me, I'm on my way home, singing the last verse of Like a Rolling Stone. Rest assured I never wanted you to change into something fine and rearrange. Some say the world is doing fine, and those canaries, they're doing their time. But I'm not singing for you no more. I'm lying lifeless on the floor. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. I said, hey now, little cha-cha-cha. 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 Come on. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. I said, hey.
Hey now, little cha-cha-cha.
Hey, hey.
Hey now, little cha-cha-cha.
Hey now.
Hey now, little cha-cha-cha.
Oh, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha 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 cha. Muchas gracias. Getting late, they were spaced, a trace of the old coming down. Ancient fun, 1 and 1. He promised her someday I'm gonna leave this old town. But magazines, glamour scenes, in-betweens, they kept him so nailed to the ground. And still the sounds they wait to be found. And there were junkies and pushers, pimps and hookers. You never know what you're in for. You try to shake it, try to forsake it. You know you're gonna take it. You never know what you're in for. By that time he was 29, there was a sign of an old melody. He tried to list what he missed, just a kiss. Was that real or TV? He said, I'm gonna find a way, I'm gonna make it pay, like a rehearsed passion play every day. Every day. Oh, there were junkies and pushers, pimps and hookers. And you never know what you're in for. And you try to shake it, you try to forsake it. You know you're gonna take it. You never know what you're in for. He said, hey, I'm gonna stay, don't cry. But it gets tough staying rough, full of lust. Be a walking high five. I see you and I'm through with those guys who demand such a lie. Are we gonna get by, gonna get by? I like junkies and pushers, pimps and hookers, 'cause you never know what you're in for. You try to shake it, you try to forsake it. You know you're gonna take it. You never know what you're in for. I say you never know what you're in for. I'm talking about you never know what you're in for. I mean you never know what you're in for. You never know what you're in for. You never know what you're in for. I say you never know what you're in for. Telephone poles can't describe the way I feel about you tonight. I'm on my back like an old brown jacket. I like to stay in school, but I just can't hack it. I'm out on the streets and I'm feeling like dirt. I'm afraid to get married cause I know it's gonna hurt. Oh, and I say, last time the rock stars, me and you. Rock and roll's here to stay. We'll be left to play. I saw the king in a 53 Chevy. Had a band on his mind and his hands look heavy. And he rolled down his window just to say hi. I could never see his face, too much purple haze inside. Born to be the king, he was born to be the man. And he died though he was holy. Oh Jimmy, understand. Oh Jimmy, understand. Oh Jimmy, understand. When I say last of the rock stars, me and you. Rock and roll's here to stay. We'll be left to play. Hey, hey, hey. Are you ready? You know you make me wanna shout. Come on now and 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 hey, 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 hey. Cuba, 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 Cuba. Habit means guitar, you gotta have it. Got your accent, got your groove. Your old man thinks it's a waste to loot. You wait a week for Ed Sullivan show. That where you wanna go, your homework's never complete. You don't care. You got this. You got this. Beat. Friday night, boys out to play. There are masters, there are slaves. There are boys who know they're gonna play. You take a master dance floor, a broken string. You know those kids, you know those they I say, last of the rock stars, me and you. Rock and roll's here to stay. We'll be left to play. Now, you know, this is 35 years I've been on the road. I started when I was 5. And when I began, I went to see a gypsy to get my fortune told. She looked at my palm and I said, tell me, where am I gonna be in 35 years on August the 3rd? She said, well, I said, London? She said, no. I said, Hollywood? She said, no. I said, Pamplona? She said, close. She said, you're gonna be in a beautiful place, Elliot. More beautiful than any of those. You're gonna be in Sos del Rey Católico. You'd only come nearer, oh baby, can't you see? She said, I don't wanna hear it, and don't you pull me near it, you mad fantasy. I said, now my point you're missing, the first time we were kissing, that's destiny. Ooh, destiny. Ooh, destiny. There is no reason I didn't draw on the map. The emptiness of space will sometimes parallels the place. I feel my logic go snap. I said, slow down, Ernie, on your Einstein journey. An ivory tower rap. It makes my bleeding heart rejoice. I think I got a choice, but oh, it's a lot of crap. Ooh, destiny. She said, come here, cowboy. Take off your cowboy hat. I'll be your dog. You can caress my cat. I'm singing ba 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 ba. I like it like that. I do.
que les cartes en main de cette envie de l'infini où même les parallèles se lient. Notre logique se débat en vain.
Sit slow down, Olivier. It's just a love rainy day. I saw it on the map. It makes my bleeding heart rejoice. I think I got a choice, but oh, it's a lot of crap. Destiny. 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 She said, "Come here, senor. Take off your cowboy hat.